You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this city in Croatia? In Croatian, so locally, the city name is referred to as Šibenik. So let's break it down. Yes, the S with that symbol on top of it. It's like a Škoda, the Czech car. Anyway, it's a CH, it's a like SH. Šibenik. Šibenik. City in Croatia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.